Good morning, children. We all know that deadly coronavirus disease has spread all around the world. It is very, very important to take all safety precautions to be safe at home and to protect yourself and your loved ones from this deadly disease. Children, I will make you introduced to this coronavirus disease and will tell you what it is. Children, coronavirus is such a kind of virus which cannot be seen through your eyes. It is a microscopic virus, something that you cannot see just like that. It is a it is such kind of a disease which can harm us, harm our body, our lungs, and various parts of the body. So it is very, very important to be safe at home. Anyone with the symptoms of cold or sneezing, running nose, fatigue, cough, fever, or sore throat must go and visit the doctor. Children, it is very important to wash your hand frequently with alcohol based rub or soap so that your hands remains disinfectant and this disease cannot affect you. It is very important to keep at least 1 meter of distance between you and anyone else who is around you. Children, it is very important, if you have the symptoms of sneezing or running nose, please cover your mouth if you have to sneeze. It is also very, very recommended to stay at home. That is the reason lockdown has come up and you are requested to be at home. Children, do not touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Wash your hand frequently and avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Do not travel to any region. Just be where you are. Unless it is very emergency, you should not step out of the house. Children, it is very important to follow certain rule when someone comes home. I am sure you are not going out of the house, but yes, your parents must be going out for some very essential work. But when they come back, you must remind them that when they come home, they should not touch anything unless they are disinfectant or they take a bath. It is very important to sanitize their bag, purse, wallet, or keys if they are carrying any. They should also clean the mobile phones and glasses with the soapy water using a handkerchief. Children, it is very, very important to carefully remove the gloves and the face mask if they are using. Children, you should remember that the shoes should be removed when any person comes to your house, and also their clothes, their bags, and should be washed regularly. You should always take a bath once you have come inside the house, and clean your stuff that you have brought with bleach before storing them. Remember, it is very impossible to complete disinfection, but the goal is to keep yourself safe and at minimum risk. Do not go to the fire, near to the fire, if you have applied hand sanitizers, because hand sanitizers are highly inflammable. You may get burned. If there is a child in your house, make sure that the bottle of the sanitizer is kept out of the reach of the child, because it is very, very dangerous if it is swallowed. Children, it is very important to wear face masks. Do not step out of the house if you are not wearing a face mask, because this face mask prevents any kind of droplets coming out of your mouth and falling it anywhere. Similarly, it protects your nose to get disinfectant, to get infected with any kind of virus, because we have a tendency of touching our mouth with our hands. If we have a mask on, we will make sure that our hands do not come in contact with the mouth or the nose. Make sure that you do not share your usable mask with anyone. Wash it regularly and avoid pulling it off when you are outside. Mask is a valid ask. It lowers the risk of inhaling virus and it also prevents passing on germs. Keep safe and help others to stay safe. Thank you. Children, it is very important to self quarantine if you are affected or anybody around you is affected with COVID 19. Firstly, make sure that you take all the precautionary steps so that you do not get this disease. But if in case it happens, make sure that you stay home, avoid public areas and mass transit. Do not step out of your house and isolate yourself from others in a room of your house. Make sure that your bathroom is not being used by anybody else. And before visiting a doctor, call the doctor, take a prior appointment so that the doctor can make all necessary arrangements. Wash your hands often and make sure that you wear face masks around other people and pets also. Cover your nose when you cough or when you sneeze. Children, do not share dishes, utensils, cups, towels, and beddings. And make sure that do not let any visitor come unless it is very, very essential. Don't forget that having a pet is okay, but you should always disinfect the you should also disinfect the pet. Thank you.